Hi, it's LGE and welcome to a new video. Previously, I've done some theme park reviews on this channel because I've been travelling around England, visiting places like Thorpe Park, Adventure Island, and a couple of days ago, Brighton Palace Pier, which is what today's video is about. Let's begin. Brighton Palace Pier has a solid lineup of rides considering its small space. To be honest, you can be any age and there'll be at least 3 or 4 rides that you'll really enjoy or feel scared on. The first ride I went on was this one here, named Galaxia. I honestly think this one you must try. You experience moments of speed, but moreover, being dropped and bashed around. And I hope I'm not painting a bad picture in your head, because Galaxia really is good, and its height requirement makes it suitable for everyone. I don't like to be harsh, but don't be misled by this piece of bullcrap horror hotel. It's just a very low budget and uncared for ghost train. I'll admit, from the outside it looks alright and beckons you in. But inside, honestly, this ride just isn't scary. Both Claude and I think, it's time to go! If this does happen, it would be beneficial, and with the removal of Horror Hotel and a shuffle around of the smaller kiddie attractions, it can make room for a fresh coaster, and that's what Brighton Pier needs, you know? There's only the Crazy Mouse, which is my favourite ride here, but we'll get onto that in a second, and Turbo, which wasn't even open. And something else that wasn't open was the main attraction, the Booster. Only after I was leaving the pier does the booster open. I wanted to do that more than anything else, but that's the way it is, I suppose. Anyway, enough of me complaining. So yeah, like I said, my favourite ride was the Crazy Mouse, a fun coaster that makes you think you're about to fall in the sea. Same goes for the air race, which is probably my second favourite. It really does feel like an out-of-control aeroplane, which is what I love about it.